Welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to claim your username in Tinder using Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This is the interface. Well, what we want to do is simply go to our profile. At the top left, here's a button like this that says My Profile. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Do note that you can edit your info, that is your profile information, from right here as well. You simply need to click on this button. But right now, what we want to do is simply scroll down on the left hand side. I'm gonna scroll down right now. And right here, just below blocked contacts and above read receipts, you'll see something like web profile username. I'm gonna click on the username tab right here. Then this page will open up. It's simply gonna ask you to input your username right here. I'm gonna enter it right now. And once you have entered it, what you need to do is simply hit on confirm. I'm gonna enter it right now. And guys, there you go. We have claimed our username. As you can see, this is my web profile and this is my username. From here, do note that we can share our URL as well. Well guys, that's it. That's how we claim your username in Tinder. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.